Hello children, welcome back. In previous video, I told the story of deaf and mute in brief. Now let's enjoy full story line to line. Before that, we will clear starter kit. Give the right word for each blank. He can't see means he is blind. He can't hear. It means he is deaf. He can't speak. It means he is dumb. He can't walk well. It means he is lame. Now you understand about this? Now, shall we start? Yes. There was a beggar. He had a tall body. One day he took a piece of cardboard. Now come on page number 27. He wrote on it. Now you can see that there was a beggar. He had a tall body and he took a piece of cardboard and he has written over deaf and mute. You can see that. He hung the cardboard on his chest. Then he sat down by the side of a road. Now he had hung the cardboard on his chest and sitting at the roadside. He put his ball in front of him. You can see that. Look, that is the ball. Many people went up and down the road. Some of them took pity on the beggar. They threw coins into his ball. Many people passed from there. Some of them took pity on the beggar and they threw coins into his bowl. There was another beggar. He had a fat body. He saw the tall beggar. He saw his cardboard also. He ran back to his cottage. He took a piece of cardboard. He wrote on it, "I am blind." Now children, see. There was another beggar and he was fat body beggar. And he saw the tall beggar and he also do same whatever that tall beggar do. Understand children? Now see, he ran back to his cottage. He took a piece of cardboard and he wrote on, "I am a blind." See, look, he is writing over here. Understand children? Now see. He hung it on his chest. He came back and sat near the tall beggar. Now he also hung the cardboard on his chest and sat near the tall beggar. They both are sitting together. Now come on page number 28. You can see that both beggars are sitting together. Now see. He started shouting. Now who is shouting? That fat beggar is shouting. "I am a poor beggar. I am lame. I can't walk. I am blind. I can't see. Have pity on me. Please give me a coin. God will bless you." Now that fat body beggar started shouting and he is saying that he was a poor beggar, he is lame, he is blind, and please give me a coin, God will bless you. Now a young man passed that way. He took out a 2 rupee coin. He wanted to give it to the tall beggar. Now at that time one young man passed from that way. That time he took out 2 rupee coin, but he wanted to give the coin to tall beggar. At that time what happened? See, the fat beggar shouted at once. At that time that fat beggar shouted. Look, he shouted, please don't give it to him. He says, please don't give it to him. He is not deaf, he is not mute, he is a cheat. I am a poor blind beggar, please give that coin to me. Now he is saying that please don't give it to him. He is not deaf, not mute, he is a cheat. I am a poor blind beggar, please give that coin to me. He is saying that coin please give me. Now come on page number 29. The tall beggar was very angry. At that time the tall beggar was very angry. He said, sir, I am not a cheat. He says, I am not a cheat. That this fat beggar is a cheat. He is saying that fat beggar is cheat. He is not blind. He could see the coin in your hand. Please give this coin to me. I am a poor beggar. I am deaf and mute. Now, that tall beggar is saying that, sir, I am not a cheat. This fat beggar is cheat. Now, that he is saying that this fat beggar is cheat. That time he is not blind. He also saying that he is not blind. He could see everything. That's why please give me this coin to me. I am a poor beggar. I am deaf and mute. Now listen, children. The young man laughed. At that time that young man laughed. Why he is laughing? You know? Because that tall man is saying that I am deaf and mute. Then how can he listen? And that fat man is saying that I am blind, then how can he see? Understand, children? So both are cheat only. Now see here, look. The young man laughed. He said, both of you are cheats. Now both of you are cheats. He put the coin back into his pocket and went his way. Now he is putting coin in his pocket and went from this way. Understand, children? So here we can see that these both beggars were cheat, because they both are only pretending that he is deaf and mute and he is blind and lame, but they both are telling lie because they don't want to work. That's why they are pretending as they are bigger. So children, we can we learn one moral from this story, that we should not cheat people and we have to work very hard. So children, now here our story is completed. Now we will meet on next video. Till that time, goodbye and take care.